Hello, welcome to this lesson. This lesson is on trigonometry common values. This is needed for when you may have to do trigonometry without a calculator. As for prerequisite knowledge, it's important that you're familiar with the trigonometric ratios, how to calculate a length or angle with trigonometry, and surds. Okay, so here are the common values that you need to know. Sine 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Tan 0 is 0. Sine 30 is a half. Cos 30 is the square root of 3 divided by 2. Tan 30 is 1 over the square root of 3, or the square root of 3 divided by 3. Sine 45 is 1 divided by the square root of 2, or the square root of 2 divided by 2. Cos 45 is the same. Tan 45 is 1. Sine 60 is the square root of 3 divided by 2. Cos 60 is a half. Tan 60 is the square root of 3. Sine 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. And tan 90 you don't need to know. Okay, so that might seem like a lot to memorize, but for sine and cos, there is an easier way to remember. So, this is a table in the form of a square root with sine, cos, and each of the 5 values that you need to know. This is all divided by 2. Fill out this table like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now, sine 45 corresponds to 2. Because of the shape of the table, you square root it and then divide it by 2. So sine 45 is the square root of 2 divided by 2. Similarly, cos 60 corresponds to 1. So it's the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is a half. This is an easier way to remember values for sine and cos. But for tan, it's just best to remember those 4 values. Okay, so let's go through some examples. What are the exact values of x and y? Okay, so we have an angle. I'm going to label it. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. So to find x, this concerns a and h, so use cos. Cos 30 is equal to, adjacent is 8, the hypotenuse is x. This means that x is equal to 8 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 is the square root of 3 divided by 2. Simplifying this gives x is equal to 16 times the square root of 3 divided by 3 centimeters. For y, you have to use tan because there's O and A. So, tan 30 is equal to O divided by A. That's equal to y divided by 8. So y is equal to 8 times tan 30 is the square root of 3 divided by 3. So it's 8 root 3 divided by 3 centimeters. And these are the answers found using trigonometric common values. Example 2. What is the value of theta? So I'll label my triangle. This is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. So this must be the adjacent. We have O and A, so use tan. Tan theta is O divided by A. That's equal to 4 root 3 divided by 4. Now you can cancel out the 4's to get tan theta is the square root of 3. This means that theta is the inverse tan square root of 3. And that is equal to 60 degrees. Because tan 60 is equal to the square root of 3. So theta is 60 degrees. And that is the answer. That's it for this lesson. I hope you find it helpful. Please check out the summary and the exercises if you'd like a quick recap or if you want to practice. And as always, best of luck.